Hi, my name is Muhammad Amir. My student ID is 2300962. So I am the second member that is starting. In sequence, I'm the second member as per the slides. So my slides would be data preparation. Okay. So coming to this data preparation point, we have cl- done various steps when it comes to data preparations. Like we have clean the format of dates, trim text, and deleted duplicates. And the other kind of like data cleaning, what we have done is we have created new feature, new columns, like basket size, number of items, average price, and calendar-based dates, calendar-based variables, something like that. When I talk about calendar-based variables, I mean like month, season, Christmas window, something like that. We also worked on RFM metrics. RFM refers to like uh, recency, frequency, monetary value. Okay. This structure foundation helped us to create more reliable and descriptive analysis. In the next slide, we have descriptive analysis based on the monthly net revenue, sorry, net revenue. Here we have used a line graph to analyze this uh, metric, uh, to analyze this attribute or metric. So what we noticed is there's a huge gap, a huge spike during these like holiday seasons in the 2010 and 2011, year 2010 and 11. In the month of November and December, the sales peaked over here, and the same goes on for these also, the for the following year in the 2011 12, in the year 2011-12, during the holiday season, the sales spiked again. So what we can say is like during each and every holiday season, like in the month of November and December, the sales skyrocketed every year. Oh, okay. Yeah. Here in this chart, we have used descriptive analysis based on the monthly orders. Monthly orders. Uh, Here we have again used a line graph. We have used line graph to analyze our monthly orders based on these uh, e- mm, based on this descriptive like chart, or the based on this line graph, I can say that the revenues like are peaking, as already mentioned, like revenues are peaking around, like revenues are on peak during these November and December months. Uh, we where also like the orders are also like increased. If you look at the next month, next coming month from the January to April, the orders take a lot hit. In the month of November, it was 3.1K orders. It again dropped to 1.2 to 1.7K in the month of January to April. So it's a seasonal kind of like a revenue or orders being placed by the customers. Okay. Yeah. So coming to the descriptive top countries by revenue, here we have like here we have noticed like basically the business is a kind of like seasonal business, seasonal revenue kind of business. Okay. Business generates revenue during the holiday seasons a lot. Okay. Uh, in these in the from this analysis, we found that UK is the top leader in terms of like revenue. Okay. And there are various other countries where there is a potential to grow. Okay. There are like many countries like where the revenue is less, which highlights that there is a potential to grow over there by knowing the other factors for the less revenue. Uh, Here we in this slide we are talking about regression. For type of regression that we have used over here is OLS. OLS refers to like ordinary least squares. Yeah. So here uh, we have like N is equal to 29.6K sales invoices and R square is around 0.10, which is a bit negative in terms, I feel. Yeah. And what we can see is like some countries like show uplift versus baseline over here. Yeah, country level effect shows that different kind of like a difference in spending behavior, which is an opportunity for uh, efficient pricing. We can A company can work on its pricing to increase its revenue, and this model isn't like meant for prediction, it is for understanding which variables drive sales value. Here, when I talk about like what to say, this thing, um, what to say, the terminologies over here. Here, R square refers to like a score showing how well the model explains the data. Zero refers to like poor, and one means like perfect. Okay, that's it. That's it from my end. Thank you.